This workshop was extremely beneficial. We were able to finish this mission, and the goal of this workshop is to rebuild Beirut, which is a very important goal that should be addressed in all the schools. Me and my team were able to finish this mission, and we had a lot of new knowledge, and we were extremely happy with the results.
My friends and I, in my team, learned a new coding language, and we were able to finish this type of projects. I really recommend this program to be in the rest of the schools, since it spreads a kind of awareness about the problems that we are facing in Lebanon.
كان كتير حلو الورك شوب. من الاشياء الجديده اللي تعلمتها انه how to program the robot, how to construct it, and how to help Beirut. It was very enjoyable and creative. It taught us creativity. Moreover, it's very important for Beirut because such a project, if it is successful, it can solve a lot of people's problems which we are living nowadays, such as the power problem, the food supply. All of these problems can be solved if we try to accomplish this project. I would like to thank Little Engineer and the Makhzoumi Foundation for this opportunity, which is a life-changing opportunity.